big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting.
All right, guys. We're back in the house. I went a little bit more expensive for these groceries because I wanted to start eating better. So, but I'll give you guys a peek to see exactly what I did. So, oh man. I forgot I got half of this stuff. Now you order stuff, you forget you have it. I forgot I got half the stuff. Get this on in here. As you see, it's about. You guys see exactly what it is. This is the extent of going to the store. And, yeah, I think I can get it all with this one little last trip. Perfect. Close the door. Everything's over here. You see I'm here working. Put this right here. So I got some good healthy stuff, but I also did get some snacks. Gotta have snacks. So, yes sir. Yes sir. I'm gonna take these out right this second. And this is just something for me to have to get the monkey off my back. So I'm gonna organize this freezer and get that together. This piece of pizza, I got the California pizza. Have you guys ever had California pizza? It is the bomb. It is the bomb. What else we got here? Got some juice for the grandkids to come by. Hot dogs, the snacks. The hot dogs are only $1.47. It is Oscar Mayer, so had to get that. Back in the gym, so I just need something quick to snack on, nothing too heavy. Got some provolone, just in case I want to make some more Phillies. Got some Swiss, because I really wanted some sandwiches. So I'm trying to eat a little bit lighter. And just make it easier to grab something and go. Got some more juice. Oh, I got 3 cheeses. I wonder if the bill was a little bit higher than I thought it was. So 3 cheeses. I don't eat them all at the same time, but I do like cheese. Thanks to my mommy. I got watermelon. I got some more celery. Then I got like 1,000 things of peanut butter. I got last time. If you don't remember the other videos, I got like a lot of peanut butter. So use that with the peanut butter. I got blueberries, and also got pineapples. So this bill was a little bit higher. It's like $160, but with the discounts and whatnot, it came out to like $130 or so. But you know how it is when you want to eat better. A little bit higher. So I got these 3 Lunchables. Yes, these are for me. Unless the grandkids come over, or anybody's kids come over, they can have it too. But I wanted some sandwiches, something light. This is like 2 for $6. Deli chicken. It's a little price process, but hey, it is what it is. And I got these right here for $10. These are basically burgers. So if I want to do some hamburger, rice and gravy, I can do that. It's like 10 burgers in here. And I got I got chicken. Didn't realize I got chicken. So I'm gonna make some, I might make some curry chicken with this. I think it's the reason why I got it. I think that's the reason why I got it. And some ground beef. But my Kroger hauls, usually I just put something in the cart. And I think about it over a week or so, and I just bring it up to the house. All right, so I got some spinach. So there's some other veggies over here. I got some kale. Back of kale shakes. I got some asparagus and a veggie run. And I got some, what is this? The green onions. Oh, wow, these are nice green onions. Yes, sir. No, and lemon. I should have bought more than that. I thought I bought more lemons than this. All right. What else we got here? Don't hurt me, y'all. Don't hurt me. Ice cream sandwiches. Yes, sir. Ice cream sandwiches in the freezer. I got some fries. This is just like when the kids come over, something quick, because when my son was over here the past weekend, I was looking like for quick stuff to throw in the air fryer and cook real quick. Even though, I can do things real fast, but this was just Philly type food that the young people can eat. So I got that. And I gotta have a snack, so I got some chips. I always get chips, because these are only $1.99. But the catch is you have to buy 4. So when you buy 4, you get these guys for $2. And you see they're normally, see if it's over here. This is barbecue. Don't say. You see? So I got popcorn though. Look at that. So anyway, these bags are almost $4. So I got some scoops for salsa, which I didn't get salsa. Let me put that up there. These guys up here. They need them with cereal. What else we got? Oh, okay. So we got some tuna, some bumblebee tuna. I got 4 of those. Yep, white tuna. What else we got? Got some condiments. I thought I got a big one. I gotta check my receipt. Probably didn't, but everything's more expensive these days. So just thank God that you have money for resources to buy the things you need for your house. Use oil, and I got some bananas. So I went a bit more heavier on the fruit and the vegetables. As you see, normally I would have cakes and cookies and all the other stuff, but this time around I decided not to go that route, not to even tip myself. Whether you eat it over a period of time or not, it's still, you're gonna eat it. And so this time around I just went pretty moderate, so, which is weird because this costs more than the other batches that I get, but no, it is what it is. All right, so to put this stuff up, love a good sandwich, so definitely gonna do that. All right, and all the veggies right here, get these guys put up. So these are being smoothies, and so we're gonna just go hard, on the smoothie tip. Make sure we good physically, mentally, keep the prayers going, and go from there. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get a smoothie started, and we'll get a day started. Right, guys, we're breaking over here I went ahead and got the kale out, got carrots, got spinach, and I got cucumber. I got some celery here. So go ahead and make just a quick granny smoothie this morning. I'm also gonna add some libidos. Went to the gym this morning, feels great. Even though I don't sound great, I feel absolutely wonderful. Just some water. Very simple smoothie this morning. So I'm going to take this kale, get it all up in there. These carrots as well. So each thing very simple. I want the leafy green vegetables this morning. That's what I feel like I need for my body. And yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay. It's like the yeah. Oh, break these guys open. Real man stuff. They're all clean. Let me just rinse them off just to be sure. They were straight. It's just I guess it's an imperfection in the celery. I guess I need to cut that off though. I don't want that. I don't want that. So take these two right here. and add these in there. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take out water. I'm gonna do about a cup. So it's gonna be a little thick. So this is basically for nutrients. So just get this crap down and go from there. Lay my amino acids. And just for basically for, of course, muscle building, because I'm so huge of a person. I'm gonna put 2 in there. And we're gonna mix. Very simple, guys. I'm gonna get this guy plugged in. Whoops. All right, here we go. Let's go. All done. My allergies are kicking my butt. The good thing is I just took something for it, so I should be fine here shortly. Yes, sir. Nice greedy smoothie. Look at that. Bam. Right on the dot. Look at that. All done. You make sure you... With this, you gotta make sure you clean it ASAP. So the blades and everything else. So let's give this guy a taste and see how it tastes. Yeah, no, it's decent. it's cool. It's cool. I knew it was gonna be a bit thick, as you see, but just to get it down. It's sweet because I added the amino acids because it has flavor in it. So it's bearable. All right, guys, I just put a few facts on here for this shake. This is for kale, the benefits of kale. And it goes through all these different benefits here. I know one of my previous videos, someone asked what was the benefit of that shake. So I just thought I'll just add this. Here is the benefit of, what is this? Oh, spinach. So it gives you an outline of the benefits of spinach. I know it's good for you. So, and it's really a good way to put these leafy vegetables in your diet through a smoothie. So, quite enjoyed this one this morning. It wasn't bad at all. Carrots, got carrots here. All right, guys, so there you have it, the benefits of this shake this morning, or this smoothie this morning. So, simple, to the point, kale, spinach, celery, I added some amino acids, and water. I'm all in my face. Yeah, allergies are ridiculous. I just took some for it, so next video I should be pumped and ready to go. So I just want to thank you guys for rocking with your boy. If you guys here for the first time, please consider joining the family. Like and subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. Much love to you guys. Peace. Always in my prayers. Next time.